I should have nobody joined right now. ओके ओके सो यूट्यूब में वो लोग सुन सकते हैं क्या? दे कैन हियर मी. ओके ओके सो वेलकम टू द कोर्स advanced machining process. Okay, so I am Dr. Manas Das. So if you have any questions, any doubt regarding that course, you can ask me. Good evening, all of you. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me. Can you hear me? Okay, so regarding that course, many of you are asking for this one actually, this regarding these questions. Okay, so I can tell you that actually all the chapters are important. Okay, so among this chapter, actually, while teaching this course, I have given some numericals. like in EDM process, you know that actually what is the material removal rate, surface finish. Okay. So those things I have discussed. In ECM process also material removal rate, surface finish, and then linear material removal rate. Those things actually we have discussed. Okay. So if you go through my lectures and what about uh, if you go through my lecture and lecture notes, okay, so everything will be available there. So you can easily predict whatever the numericals will be there. So nothing will come outside this course syllabus. Whatever taught in this lecture in advanced machining process and whatever lecture notes I have given. So most of the things will come from there itself. Okay, so regarding these passing marks, actually, I don't have idea. Maybe NPTEL, they will tell you that what is the passing marks and how many questions. So there will be total 50 questions. Okay, so after 50 questions, there are three parts are there. One is actually recall type, which are very easy. So if you read this book, actually your course, and then okay, so second part is that actually that assignment type. So if you have submitted that assignment, so you can easily uh, answer those questions. So to 10 marks, 10 questions is recall type, 15 questions for actually this assignment type, and another 25 questions is open type. So these open type questions are little bit tricky. Okay, so all questions are multiple choice type. All modules are actually are having equal marks. So I have made this question in such a way that all the chapters are actually included. So it is not like that in certain chapter I have given most of the questions. It is not like that. So all the questions are distributed among all the chapters whatever taught in the class. Any other questions you can ask me now? Regarding this exam part, actually, this hall ticket, all those things, you can ask NPTEL. So Ajit Kumar, if you have any specific question, you can tell me. I can answer you in Hindi also. Rahul Sharma, can you hear me? So I think all of you are hearing. Rahul Sharma, can you hear me? Rahul Sharma? I think all of you are listening to me. Ankit Oja, why mostly in all non-traditional machine process, positive power is given uh, to the workpiece. So positive power, do you mean that actually this ECM or ADM you are telling? Because there are many other processes, okay, like are you considering this electrochemical machining or ADM process? Okay, so Ajit Kumar, lecture content is so much. So how to read selective topic from lecture content? Okay, so as already I told, this is so this question paper is set actually considering all the chapters in all the modules. So there is no specific. Okay, so important chapters you just if you want to know important chapters, then ECM, EDM, these two chapters are actually very much important. Okay, so here many topics are actually included. So in ECM, if you go through that, okay, electrochemical grinding, electrochemical discharge grinding. So many other processes are also hybrid processes are included in the ECM process. Chemical machining, actually, it is very easy process. Earlier days, those who are actually making these gold ornaments, so they usually they used to use this chemical machining process. So there are certain chemicals are there. In that chemical, if you dip certain material, okay, so after some time, there will be a machining. Okay, so you need to know actually how long you have to dip this material into that chemicals. Okay, so there are certain techniques are there. Actually, you can cover the workpiece surface with a certain coating material. Okay, so where you don't need any machining, and wherever you need machining, you keep it open. Okay, so there are side machining is there. Okay, so okay, so this regarding numerical, many students are actually asking regarding this numerical questions. Okay, so maybe around 7 to 8 questions I have given. Out of these 50 questions, almost 7 to 8 questions actually I have given these numerical questions. Okay, so these numerical questions little bit tricky, but whatever equations are actually required. Whatever equations are required. Okay, so for solving numerical questions, it is given in that PDF slide. So lecture slide I have given. I have supplied all the equations which are required actually for solving these numerical questions. So already I told regarding the numerical questions, you go through this actual slide. Wherever these equations are there, wherever I have given certain equations, that equations will be useful, or you can use means whatever numerical questions will be given, okay, are given. So you can solve all those numerical questions using that. Uh, okay, so numerical questions that equations are given in that lecture slide. Okay, so assignment questions I have given around out of these 50 questions, I have given around 15 to 20 questions from assignment. Okay, so rest of the questions are open type, and then few questions are actually very easy. They are actually recall type. So from assignments, around 15 to 20 questions will be there from assignment.
Sir,
How
how
to
to
pass?
score more marks?
Huh? Sorry.
How to score more marks in advanced machining process final exam?
So that's why I'm telling actually whatever lecture slides are given. So you go through that lecture slide. So that PDF file of that lecture slide.
But sir, from lectures we are not understand.
So whoever asking, can you just ask again?
Sir, from lecture we are not understand.
Lecture slide you don't understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Because
then you have
lecture
to
are
go through
very
this
old.
video. And if you don't understand, then you have to go through that actually lecture, this video, NPTEL video. Okay, so otherwise you can go through certain books. One of the book is actually Dr. V.K. Jain, Advanced Machining Processes. Okay,
Sir,
so that
discuss
advanced
few
machining
important
process.
topic. Discuss few important topic.
That already I told actually this two topics are actually very important. So they are big also. One is electrochemical machining, another one is the electrodischarge machining.
Sir, approximately whole topic covered in these two topics.
No. What I
One
told
PDF
actually
about
is
75 page and another 40 page.
just understand actually this see there are different please try to understand actually this entire course actually divided into different modules. Okay, so I have made the questions from all the modules, not entirely to certain topics, not to a certain topics. But if you if you insist me, actually these two topics are very much important, CM, ADM. Okay, so but I cannot ensure that actually most of the questions will come from ECM ADM. So the questions is made in such a way that all the topics are actually covered. So total 50 number of questions are there. So out of that, 10 questions are recall type, 15 questions are from assignments, and another 25 questions are open type, little bit tricky to differentiate among the students. Okay, so total 50 questions are there. Okay, so you have 3 hours time to answer the questions. Okay, so it is 100 marks questions, 50 questions in each question of 2 marks. So it is a 50 marks, 50 questions, and each question is 2 marks, total 100 marks. Sonu Kumar, regarding this hall ticket, actually, I don't have any idea. Okay, so Chennai, they can help you.
Sir, please explain laser beam machining.
Okay, laser beam machining. So it is very simple actually. This laser beam, there are different types of lasers are there. Laser sources like CO2 laser, solid state laser, or means the solid state laser and this gas laser. So there are different types of lasers are there. Okay, so in my video, actually, I have discussed the CO2 laser and UV laser, two different types of lasers we have discussed. Okay. In our workshop also in IITG, we have CO2 laser sources are there.
Sir, which type of question will be asked from this topic?
Okay, so this laser source actually it has a high intensity heat energy. Okay, so I don't remember all the questions right now. Okay, so like laser. Actually, there are different properties of lasers are there. Okay. Then its efficiency is important. And then how to measure this focal length, all those things are also important. Okay. Then lasers, generation of laser, different types of lasers also, it is also important how these lasers are actually made. Okay. So what are the different types of lasing materials? That is also important. Question pattern, already I told actually many times. So this question pattern, 50 questions of 2 marks, and then 10 questions of recall type, 15 questions are from assignment, and another 25 questions from open type.
Questions from where, sir?
Which one? What?
15 questions from assignment, 10 questions from where?
A recall type. So a recall type means just it is very easy actually. If you just intuition, you use your from all the modules, entire module. So it is not specific. It is a recall type.
All questions are MCQ. All questions are MCQ, sir.
All questions are MCQ type. MCQ type. All questions are MCQ type. MCQ. All questions are MCQ. Open type means actually it is little bit tricky. Okay, so you have to use your knowledge as well as certain means common sense. Okay, it is little bit tricky. So it is not like that whatever assignment and open type. Okay. All questions are having only single answer. Okay, so out of if there is the 3 options are there, out of 3 options, only 1 option will be correct option. It is not a multiple answer questions. Okay, so if you don't have any other questions, then we can stop here. Negative marking, I don't have any idea. Okay, so maybe NPTEL Chennai, they can tell you, or maybe there should be certain instructions. So we have made the question in such a way that only single answer will be there. Okay, so don't worry, there will be only single answer, not multiple answer. Regarding negative marks, I don't have any idea. So there should be instruction from NPTEL Chennai regarding that. A recall type means actually, suppose if you go through this laser beam machining process, okay. Okay, so you don't need to use your brain, like a certain intuition. If you use, you can answer all those recall type questions. How the picture the option, because we have for what all are correctors. No. What I'm telling that while making this question, actually we made in such a way that only one answer is correct, not all the answers. Okay, so there will be only one correct answer. So regarding this admit card, all those things actually NPTEL Chennai will help you. So I don't have any idea. Okay, then, so I don't think any other questions are there. So I can stop here now. Okay. So thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you all the best for your exam.